Ideal replacement. This PCV tubing replaces the original hose on specified vehicle years, makes and models. Durable materials. This PCV hose is designed to withstand exposure to extreme temperatures and oil vapors to resist cracking and leaking. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment quality at a competitive price. Quality tested. This part has undergone try-on and material testing to ensure a quality fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfect for 2001 Cherokee XJ. Removed cracked end, a breather pipe end replaced with this one. Works perfect.